Yo, quick vid, go and do some stuff to the 350Z. Come with me. Bosh. See it, Mum? One of them. Time to go in the gay car today. Does it look better? Jesus Christ, it's dark, isn't it? Oh yeah, baby. It's crying out for some space, but I suppose if you're going to get wheels, they'll fit flush, you won't?
You got to remember it hasn't moved for 3 days since I put them on as well. I bet as soon as I roll it down, it'll...
Looking better though, isn't it, mate? How does it look when you look down it?
Yeah, it scrapes over that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, what, top it drive?
Go through fucking oil pan.
It's looking better, mate. Ooh, very nice. Don't know. Why isn't it moving? Looking bad boy though, isn't it?
Who's in? It's not bad.
Clean as well, isn't it?
Have you got your key?
Of course I've got the fucking key. Great to see you now.
Take a break.
Aha! Looked at sticker.
Kitty.
Kitty, kitty. I'm taking off the radio facial look. So all what's round the radio and round the gear stick and up where the gauges are, look, it all flakes to shitty material. So I want to take them off. And then I want to take these off as well. Which I think, to get that one off I might struggle, but we'll see.
You have to take the door card off.
And then you see the chrome bit on the handle, yep. I want to paint that black, and I want to paint that black. And then after that, I'll judge what else needs painting to make it look better, and I'll paint the rest. But I want to just paint it like a gloss black. You know, just to spice it up.
100% guaranteed to get that off, you'll have to get the door card out.
More than likely, yeah, but if I can't do it, I'll do it when I get it back out in March, because obviously it's going to go straight back in again for winter, remainder at winter. Alright, join us for a progress update. So, are they going?
Yeah.
Fucking yes. Right, so, quick update, boys. To get the gear shift stick off, which is this. This one's quite simple. Obviously it sits on there, you pop it up with a flat head, disconnect that, get these out, if we can get this other one out. I want to take this off as well and spray this black. These are going black, these, same on the other side, but, and this, or this, but obviously I can't do that right now. Well, this should then just pop off, yeah?
Big pull from the back either. Got a flat head.
Yeah, I'm sat at about 700.
I think that's it.
It's trying to pull the radio, isn't it?
So how do you take the radio off? Or up?
Unless the radio comes out with this.
Everything's moving bar the radio.
So maybe this does need to come off. Yeah, no, so like, look, the radio's going with it though, look. See?
No, do you want to touch the radio?
Let's just end this video and then we'll come. Right, can you remember what we did? Can you remember what we took off? Where did we get to last time? So we've done them. We've done them four, didn't we? We did them 4 bolts. So where we said take off 2 at the bottom here, we took 4 off. You popped it back here, and then you have to pop this up, which starts as the base. So your rubber base, you pop that up. It then came into this where you had 2 small Phillips. That then popped up, releasing. It gave us. Did it give us past 2 on top? That let us pull it forward. Yeah. And then if you look here, there's these 2 here which, well, this is for my radio. I don't know if it'll be different for yours.
Attaches the radio from the
that
fascia.
just holds the radio onto the fascia. But you also need to undo that. Look, if you see here, this is for your heating. So that's what undid with the other 2 bolts. This off, which was a bit of a fucker, but it's off. 2, that'll pop your door off. It'll make it easier to paint your door. I'm guessing these gauges will pop out as well. Yeah, look, it's very simple now. Easy to fucking paint, rude boy, yeah? Fucking no method! Did that like a syndrome. Quick update then. Can't do it today. I'm going to sand it another day. It's got a texture to it, so we're going to do it another day. So we'll cut to that another day, but really it's a few days for me. A year. Easy. It's 3 days since. There they are. Things. So we need to strip. We need to strip everything. So very simple. Strip this. Strip that. Screw. So I'll be back in a sec. So that was quite easy. They were just literally fair odd screws for that. 1 screw for this bit, and then it was just all clips. As you can see, it was piss easy. Leaves you with that. Onto this one then. So we'll pop fascia out. We'll get the dial cluster out, so all the ECU for that, and then we'll also have a go at popping the door off. I will take the door off and I'll run it through how you do it, because it might have springs, it might be quite complicated, so I shall return. So that's off. There's your instrument cluster. It's very easy, it just pops out as soon as you can take the screws off. Very easy. So obviously we'll just paint it all, don't matter about all these chrome bits, so that'll all be painted now. However, the door, I said I was going to loosen it up and take it off like that, but there is springs in there. It's a bit of a bass, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it as a whole part and mask all this up. However, there's this button here, right, so obviously as you press it you're going to peel up all the paint here eventually, but there's some screws, 4 screws back, you can't see, there's 4 screws back here. Take these off and this should pop the button off and make it a lot easier to paint, so I'm just going to pop that up now, so 2 secs. Right, so that is popped off. As you can see, there was 4 screws which I showed you earlier, but there's actually 2 here located at the back, which is a nightmare to get to, and I think you'd have a bugger getting them back in. So what I've done is I've done the 2 screws, popped it back. There's the little, I don't know if you can see if it focuses, there's the little handle up, so I've put just some tape behind it, so no paint's going to get there. And then that'll sort that problem out for us. Now there's a lip to it. It's a bit out of focus, but you can see there's a lip to it, so I can get the paint down there now, so it should get a good finish. Next thing to do then is start sanding. I'll run you through that in a sec, alright? This is going to be the nightmare to paint, I think, because it's a metal finish. I'll leave fascia black. Oh, I'm still filming. Oh, did I not film any of that? We're using P600. Right, after 10 or 15, 20 minutes, you can see, start to bring it off. Now, the majority is off, obviously you need to get around your clusters as well. As you can see, as it's drying, it's come off compared to how it was. So it was, you know, that's how it is now. So, obviously, I've got to do the remainder on the rest now. My wrist feels like I've had 70 wanks, but well, that were alright. So, also, you want to go around with a Scotch Brite as well, which I'm going to do as well. Get that wet as well, get that around there and getting all your nuts and cranks. So, look at them motherfuckers. Done and dusted. Just dried them off with compressor. All we need to do now is mask this one up a bit, and there's a bit more drying, to be fair, it's still a little bit damp. We'll mask them up. This one I'm going to try and stand up, because obviously when I'm going to paint it, look, I'm not filming. When I'm going to paint it, look, with pressure, look, it's just going to, I'll be back shortly. I'll mask it up and I'll run you through the priming process. So, we've masked this up, all sorted now, and it's ready for primer. I'm just about to mix that. I'll show you what it's like after the first coat. I actually told you what colours I'm going at as well. These are going the same colour as the car, And then the rest are like that's the only thing I've got off for now, but the rest of it's all the handles and all the other things what are silver are going black. Where these instruments are with the same colour as the car. Coat. You see it's quite a light coat, so you can still see, I don't know if you'll pick it up on camera, you can quite see the black. Next coat needs to be heavier. Okay, primer, it's the best because you're getting a more thicker finish. More than likely it won't flake because obviously it had a rough material. If you have got a 350, you'll know it's a rough nibbly material, so you know it will flake eventually, the paint, where you know if you're using a rattle can. So I mean, if you're going to do it, get an expensive rattle can primer, but if you've got an air compressor in a gun, do it with 2K. Mix the primer yourself and do it yourself. You know, I'm using proper paint as well. You know, I'm not using any rattle can paint because I'll get the best finish and also it'll last the longest. I don't want it flaking, I don't want it going up funny in the sun, you know, all stuff like that. The sun we're getting in, you know, not much. But yeah, I'll join us soon. Right, so third and final coat done. As you can see, bosh bosh bosh. So keep it short. See you tomorrow. We're going to rub it down and paint the bastard. Good morning. Next day. If I look tired, it's because I am. The puppy is killing me. Big time. So, gosh, look at that. All dried up. We've still got a bit of the ribbed effect, but not much. Should look good. We should be able to do good with this with the rubbing down. So, you know, rubbing down wet and dry, as you should know. If you've used Brown before, we'll get on with that and I'll update you. Nice. Right, so these are all rubbed down now, look. These are going the same colour as the car, that's going black. So we'll cut to the paint. So there's your first coat, boys and girls. So it's a bit blotchy, but don't worry about that yet. We have got, you know, I'm working in a dirty environment, you know, so it's never going to be amazing to see. But that'll all come out and you'll see. So first coat, I've just literally dusted it on. Next coat, it wants to be even lighter. You know, I've lifted it up, got all under edges because you know, I want it to be a good job. Quite happy with it so far. I mean, I think it'll look really cool in the car with the same colour, you know, as the car, with the rest being black. So we shall see, shan't we? But yeah, there we go, guys. I'll update you. So I skipped a coat. This is the third coat now. So obviously we're out lacquer. We're starting to look rather silver, like the car. So yeah. Quite good. After that, I'll just cut to when it's finished. After this, with lacquer and everything. You don't even see me doing lacquer. So yeah, see you soon. So all done, boys. Look at that lovely shiny finish. Now what I'm going to do is, weather depending tomorrow, I'm going to come back, fit them all in the fitments. There's only a little bit there I'm not happy with. Whoa, nearly went. A little bit there I'm not happy with, but remember it's at the top of the car. You know, we're not really going to see it. I'm going to fit everything back in and then we'll fit it in car and we'll see how it looks. All there is to do really is paint this black as well. I didn't think about that. I've got that to paint, haven't I? Well, that doesn't matter, I won't include that in the video. That's just simple. Play it back. Do it direct gloss. If you know what direct gloss is, it's paint with lacquer in it, so it just shine finish straight away. And yeah, so now if you show the folks what we've done, this has all gone the colour of the car. And I think it looks pretty fucking badass if I'm being honest myself. We've done that black, haven't we? It's got a reflection to it as well. Obviously, as I was saying when I did it, it ain't got the you can still see the ribbed a bit in bits of it, but you know, it was a tough material. If I wanted to do it, I could have kept off the car for longer and just gone over it again. So we've done that black, and then if you show them all the other silver components I'm going to do, so we're going to go. All these are going to be the same colour as that, which is 4-day black. So this, same on the other side, and this on the steering wheel. So these here, and these, and these, and these two, so my side and your side, these are going to go 4-day black as well. And then that's it for the interior. And then hopefully I'm going to wrap this suede.
Alcantara, won't it?
Oh yeah, well Alcantara's very expensive, isn't it? So, and suede's a similar material and it's cheaper, so suede will be easier because it's cheaper. Alcantara's very expensive, isn't it? But I think it looks pretty fucking badass if you ask me. Not bad for a fat ginger cunt, is it?